Go and heal. You need to go heal. That little girl inside of you, ball out to go heal. I have to give that for other people.
Sitting in the whip on the strip, in the strip, my windows is tinted, let's go. My backseat ain't empty, we just left the Fendi, we getting it all over the place. This is why I need the family, this is why I need.
Hey guys, today we having Wingstop. This is a thumbnail. Alright, so I got some wings. Diet Coke. I got some wings. I'm so hungry, I can't wait. I just literally walked in the house. I cannot wait. Take off my clothes or anything. I'm hungry, but I'm so hungry. So we got some mango habanero. Oh no, this is a chicken sandwich. This is a mango habanero chicken sandwich. Yeah, what wings did I get? Blue cheese over ranch. And this is the wings. I go give me a 10-piece. I'm so greedy. I'm hungry. I haven't ate since, what time I ate? Was it 3:30? I had oatmeal for breakfast and listen, I was just hungry. Look at it. Have a bite. Here's the fries. Oh, you're not seeing the fries. The chicken sandwich is right here. It's big. I'm hungry. I don't got time for setup and nothing. I'm starving. And the wings. Dip it in the sauce. What are we talking about today? Oh. I saw a video on Instagram where Charlamagne gave Nicki Minaj the donkey of the day. She deserved it. She's bitter as hell. She deserved it. She's a hater. That lady is bitter. Like, she can't see somebody else winning and not. Like, your album not coming out until next year. You gonna post on my album coming out. Who cares? Girl. She trying to take Cardi B shine. Can't even let the girl have a moment. Like, that's crazy. But the letter that Cardi wrote, she went in. She went in. I don't like the part where she said about nonverbal though, cause girl, you was pregnant. Like, you know, you gotta be careful when you talk about with the kids. Because you want to say something about my kid, and then you pregnant, your kid gonna come out looking like your kid gonna. For your karma could be a kid coming out nonverbal too. I'm just saying. That's the only part I didn't like what she said. But I'm glad she put her in her place. You know, I'm glad she put her in her place. Besides that part, I don't like that part. But Nicki Minaj did call her child ugly. Wait, look at culture. What part of culture is ugly? That's how you know that lady's bitter. Culture is one of the cutest little kids, and you gonna call her ugly? See? That's why when people don't like your kids, they're gonna come for you. When people don't like you, they're gonna come for your kids. Pretty much. Yep. So that is she old though. They're Onika something Minaj. Did you say her last name too? I don't know. Petty. Oh. She definitely Miss Petty for real. She took up that last name with honor. She wearing that last name real good. Miss Petty. You too grown for that. Why you see somebody else shining, another female shining, and you just showing that you a big you just showing the world that you was a big ass hater. That's just what it is. You're just a big ass hater. You see somebody come through, somebody have their album drop, and you go talk about your album dropping next year. Bitch, nobody cares. It's Cardi B time now. Nobody, not anybody thinking about you. No. Alright, make it make sense. Like for real. You just sit that ass down somewhere and then wait your turn. People in the comments be like, nobody care about that album. We're gonna be at Cardi B tour. I mean, I ain't going, but I ain't get a straw. I use my own straw. It's a good thing you have straws in the house. But yeah. I think the whole thing, the whole message that Charlamagne said, he right on point. Everything. What he said. When it comes to her. That's crazy. I never really liked, I don't know. Like, you know, my spirit just never take Nicki Minaj. I don't know. I don't get along with certain people. Like, I'm gonna say signs too, but she's a Sagittarius, right? I don't get along with Sagittarius people. I don't. Alright. Like I said, what Charlamagne said, she needs to go heal. She have a lot of built up childhood trauma. Every young female artist that come around after her, or she pretend like want to help them out, she low-key hate them. She low-key hate them. Yeah, the people that be in your face low-key hate you. Like, why are you around me? Make it make sense. You know you don't like me, but you be around me. Yeah, bitches is weird. So weird. Like, how you turn out help somebody and then start hating on them when they leveling up? I'm guessing something happened in between with them. I don't know. But it's Cardi B, Megan, what's that girl named? Doja Cat. There's a few people. There's a few people. She needs to go heal. For real. I'm stop projecting her insecurities on people. Well, people love to do that. Oh Lord, they be projecting the insecurity of the child. They're not healed from their childhood trauma, so they will project. I know, I've been there. Shit. So it's not everybody that go through childhood trauma. Cause they always say hurt people. It's not everybody that go through that do that. Cause shit, before I went to therapy, I would not put my childhood trauma on people. I would not do that. I still came out being the nice, genuine, kind-hearted person that I am. Like, I don't bully people. That's the one thing nobody could come out and say I do. And I don't bully people. I don't do that. People always trying to bully me though. Like, if you don't get the fuck on, they try. They be trying. Because I'm not gonna let them. They be trying. Like, I'm gonna curse you out. I'm gonna block you. And that's about it. You ain't gonna fuck up my peace. You not gonna mess with my mental health, please. Hell no. I would ignore the shit out of you. But yeah, Nicki Minaj is a bully. I said what I said. She a bully. I don't know. I never liked her like that. I like her music, but I never liked her because I could see like I just when I could see through people, I see through them. So I don't know. My spirit never took her. So I'm just like, I just like her music, like I said. And I said, see, that's why I say don't match energy with people. I'm not gonna match energy with you. I don't think I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna remove myself. Every single time. Every single time. Don't expect me to match energy with you. I'm gonna remove, at the end of the day, I'm gonna remove myself. Remove myself. Because that means, if I start matching energy with you, I'm matching the demons that you got inside of you. And I don't want them. Me not want them. Keep your demons to yourself. Don't be out here matching energy with people. Don't be matching their demons. Oh, child. You see all the meat sandwich? What do you have chat? Oh no, I'm gonna eat this. I'm full, you know? I'm gonna make it 6. Me eat 3. I'm full already, yo. Alright, let's take a bite of this sandwich. I'm gonna rest my mouth for a minute. Excuse me. Excuse me. Only name one here. So I'm gonna definitely block that out. But yeah, let's try this sandwich. What is it again? Oh, what is it? Louisiana rub. I'm not gonna take a lot because I feel like I'm getting full already. So here it is, y'all. See there. Here it is. What fell? That was good. And last time I had Wingstop, I think I had it in March. But I'm not trying to eat fast food all the time. I had salmon pasta for lunch. I was going to go to the gym, like I said. So after work, I was going to go to the Bronx. Go to this Caribbean restaurant out there where they got Jamaican snacks. I checked the time, how some I'm going to reach out there, but it says 6:26 and 7:26, and it says, because I was leaving at 6, I work at 6, so they close at 8, and I'm like, I'm gonna have to rush. I'm not like rush. So like, you know what, I'll go another time. Yeah, so, and then I was gonna go to the Jamaican one, or the other one that's on TikTok. Actually, I saw both of them on TikTok. But I think I saw the one in Bronx. I think I saw it on YouTube first before I saw it on TikTok. But yeah, I was gonna go to the one in Queens too. On the outside of Queens, Port Albans. But the one in the Bronx, it got surge milk. I was like, oh. I was praying. I was looking. They have the Yummy brand coconut bread. I want that so bad. Oh my god! I see they have the donut and cinnamon roll and cheese bread, but I don't see those. I never saw the coconut bread, and I don't want none of that. I just want a coconut bread. Hope I can find it. I'm gonna go next week Friday when I get off work. Yeah. Yeah, so Team Cardi. Team Cardi. I mean, I'm a fan of Cardi B. I'm a fan of Cardi, but I'm not really a fan of Nicki Minaj. Am I? I mean, I guess you are because you listen to the music, but whatever. I like Cardi B more. She's a real person. She speaks her mind. She don't give a fuck. She don't care what nobody want to say. I like her. I think they both speak their mind, but like I said, Cardi, whatever the girl in name, the lady that one bully. She about 40 years old, 40 some years old. Are you a bully females younger than you? You was a bully. They can't tell you the bully. You don't let nobody do. You don't want nobody do better than you. Like are you your own person? Like, oh yeah, she did. So it's Cardi B, Remy Ma, Megan Thee Stallion. Champion saying I want to beef though, no? Come on, girl. Go heal. Go and heal. You need to go heal. That little girl inside of you, ball out to go heal. And stop taking care of other people. Like these females around here walking around here bullying other people just because they ain't healed their damn childhood trauma. That's what it is. I said it. Yeah, I said it. Go heal. Therapy helped me a lot. Therapy helped me a lot. But like I said, nobody can say me bully them. Nobody can ever say me bully them. Because I'm not that. People always trying to bully me. I am not a bully. I would never ever do nothing like that to somebody. And you know what it is too? People think because they're bigger inside they can bully you. Just because they're bigger, they're bigger than you in body. They think they can bully you. They think you're supposed to be scared of them. No, you won't hear my mouth. Shit, I might cry. But I'm gonna curse your ass out too while I'm crying. I bet believe that. Boy. One thing about me, I don't cry all the time. I might cry the first few times, but after I'm used to it, I eat that shit up. Real quick. Like, I'm tired. You ain't say nothing. You ain't say nothing new. I done heard these words all my life. You ain't say nothing else to me. I'm good. Like, come something else. Because at this point, I know what you're doing, and you're not gonna get a reaction out of me. Because that's what they want. They love reaction out of you too. These bullies love drama, though. They love drama. They want a reaction out of you. They will push a button, make a react, then say, tell it to them. People them what they gonna lie to. Boy, yo. And when they push a button and you react to them, oh, see? See? Because they ain't crazy. Like, bitch, you just push my buttons. The hell? Like, who's really the crazy one right here? You're the crazy one. But like I said, healing did a good thing on me. Healing helped me a lot. I should have did it earlier. No. But whatever. As long as you heal, you go when you're ready. Well, I guess at the time I wasn't ready, but I eventually got it done, and it was one of the best decisions I ever made. One of my brothers told me to do that, by the way. He told me go do it. Go heal. Go to therapy. Go to therapy. Oh, I like that. Oh, you know what? But I didn't go right away. And then my friends started telling me to go too. I'm like, And then what I went through last year even made it even worse. So I'm like, you know what? That's when I decided, because everybody, I'm trying to say my business. That's when I decided to go. Was when what I went through last year, and people that was helping me, they're like, you know, I should start therapy. It will help you if you get through, what you just went through. I'm like, okay, I'll do it. Plus, it's free. I ain't paying for it. Why not? But yeah, full. I don't eat all these damn wings. I barely touch a damn sandwich. I'm gonna bite out of the two. Let me get one more. Just one more. I'm done. I'm done. It's gonna be my lunch tomorrow. I'm done. You know what it is? I know it is all over the place, but it still got something to do with the topic. You know what it is? But I think the Nicki Minaj problem is, like, Cardi B is a threat to her. And when you're a threat to a hater or a bully, they're trying to do everything to get your attention. Ooh, child. They will do everything and anything to get your attention. Okay, so I just a Bible word just came on my phone. Let me read it. God's love for you is unconditional. Nothing can separate you from his love. Romans 8:38-39. Nobody forced me to follow Jesus. He literally came and saved me. Clock it. Whew. Clock it. Y'all have no idea. Okay? Nobody told me to follow him. He literally came and saved me. Like, literally. Don't be afraid to start over, Annika. This time you're not starting alone. God is guiding you, and you're starting with grace and wisdom. What else? Remember, Annika, God can heal what seems broken beyond repair. This came up a lot on my phone today. Results happen over time, not overnight. Stay faithful to the process. Work hard, stay consistent, and trust the timing. Smile again, Annika. God's not done writing your story. This was look at the time it came up on my phone. 11 a.m. Look, can y'all see it? Y'all see that? Huh. A lot of them came up. Oh, this one yesterday too. Don't try to be perfect. I am not perfect. I never try to be perfect. I try to be real. Perfect? Hell no. I ain't perfect. Shit, I got flaws and I made mistakes and all that. I am not perfect. I know that for sure. Look, y'all, my mommy. I miss my mommy so much. My mommy. Rest in peace to my mommy. It's my mommy birthday month too. Oh my goodness. Don't try to be perfect. Just try to be better than you were yesterday. Do not fear the road ahead, for God walks with you. His hand will guide you, and his grace will sustain you through every trial. As bad as you want to address it, sometimes it's better to let God defend you, because he saw it too. Because, child, listen, if I open my mouth and say some shit, people not going to like it. So I'm going to state them some of my business. I don't know what go on. I don't know nobody. I don't know what walk on. But you know what's crazy? TikTok and Instagram. It's like they know what I've been through when it comes with people, because the type of rules they put in front of my face, I'm like, how the hell did you know this? How did you know this? That's crazy. All right, you see how on TikTok you gotta take a picture and it tells you you see you to take a video, take a picture, and TikTok choose a song thing. Like, that's so crazy. That's so crazy how they do that. Let me try one right now. I'm show y'all. Let's see what they say.
You wanna I can't argue with you.
Like, I don't know what they be talking about, but I feel like I feel it. Big mad.
Leave me alone. I'm happy. Leave me alone.
Alright, I'm taking a picture. This will be a mukbang and I'm paying. I don't know.
The girl that just commented on my last post. Yeah, the one that reposted, liked it, shared it, commented.
Yeah, one thing I'm on TikTok, I'm a supporter. I support people.
If you the people on TikTok, you ain't
That's
never
why I got this song, because I'm a supporter. I'm not a hater.
high value woman moves differently. A high value woman doesn't beg, she observes. If you're inconsistent, she distances herself. If you take it for granted, she removes herself.
Me a player. When I play with men. Don't play with me, play with somebody else.
Or like,
Oh yeah, so I'm saying the videos on TikTok and on Instagram, that it's like they know what I went through and whatever, because the rules they put in my face, and I never used to see these on my timeline until this year. And it's like I said, God know what He doing. God know what He doing, because the videos I be seeing, I'm like, oh my God. Even on TikTok, it's like. But yeah, anyways, so yeah, I was saying the moral of the story is, don't be a bully. Do not be a bully. Go heal. Stop being bitter. Stop being bitter. It don't look good on you. It don't look good on you. God don't like ugly, because you know what happened. When you treat people bad, you gonna get that treatment right back in return. Not from me, from God, of course, because God don't like ugly, and you gonna get your karma every single time. So treat people good and treat people how you want to be treated. But yeah, I said what I said here. I don't care. I said what I said. But yeah, I was reading the stuff though. Keep praying. God hears you. He says, call to me and I will answer you. Jeremiah 33 verse 3. God loves, God helps, God hears, God heals, God saves, God speaks, God blesses, God teaches, God answers, God defends, God forgives. Be thankful for what you have. It was once the answer to your prayers. Listen, amen. Trust in God's timing. It's better to wait a while and have things fall into place than to rush and have things fall apart. God is preparing you, Annika, for blessings greater than you can imagine. Clock it! Amen. This was yesterday at 9:40 a.m. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Okay. No matter how good or bad your life is, wake up each morning and be thankful that you still have one. Amen. Just because there's evil, it doesn't mean there's no God. Charlie Kirk. There's a guy that died. I'll give you more than you asked for. Be patient and trust me. Ephesians 3 verse 20. 3 things that will always bring peace: gratitude for what you have, acceptance for what you cannot change, and hope for what's yet to come. You're gonna make it. Trust God. God is with you in everything you do. God can make a way where there is no way. Keep praying. Don't quit. Miracles happen every day, so never stop believing. God can change things very quickly in your life. Keep praying, Annika, even when you don't see results yet. God is working. Trust His timing. I always pray. I pray for everything, for patience, for more peace. I pray for continuous peace. Peace. I pray for everything. I pray. Just know I pray. I be praying. I am a prayer warrior. I don't play when it comes to praying. Because people nowadays, child, please. Nobody got time for that. Nobody have time for that. So people, excuse me. Yeah, I don't got time for people. So I pray for me. I'll be praying for me and my child. Stop worrying about what you can't control. Start trusting the one who controls it all. If you're reading this, remember, God has a great plan for your life. That was the last one at the bottom. Alright, y'all. That's about it. This is a long video. It was supposed to be that long. I'm trying to cut it down a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But I just came. I wasn't going to talk about nothing. I just came to eat my food, but I started me yapping. But nobody is bigger than God, like I said. Nobody is bigger than the man above. So people could try and do what they want to do. He is not bigger than God. Yeah? He is not bigger than God. So that is it. That is all. That's the message. Good night. Thanks for watching. Bye.